Hey boys and girls, I don't know about you, but today I'm talking about ChatGPT, how it can be used in business and industry. What? You think it's just another thing for entertainment and learning? Don't be too hasty with your conclusions. ChatGPT is not just a bare-bones technological tool. It's a powerful weapon that can be used in business and industry to make a loud, fast, and beautiful impact. If you have a smart, ChatGPT can help you increase productivity, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. For example, it can be used for content generation. One of the main advantages of content generation is the time and resource savings when creating a large volume of content. Thanks to the automation of this process, companies can create content more efficiently and quickly, which is especially important in the conditions of tight deadlines and competition. For example, you produce whiskey under the brand Bukowski, and you need to make a loud statement about yourself on social media. All you have to do is write request in the GPT chat. Write an advertising post about Bukowski whiskey. In the advantages, mention cherry notes in the aroma and the honey aftertaste. And here's what we have. Wow, it already looks like a ready-made post. But what if we ask the neural network to write the text the way Bukowski would write it himself?
Listen up, folks. You want a whiskey that'll knock your socks off? Look no further than Bukowski whiskey, the smoothest damn drink this side of the Mississippi. Our distillers ain't just amateurs, they're artisans. They've carefully crafted Bukowski whiskey to bring out the best damn flavor you've ever tasted. We're talking rich, complex notes that'll have you savoring every sip. And let's not forget that sweet aroma with hints of cherry that'll have your nose tickled pink.
Well, it turned out quite in the spirit of the famous writer. But let's take a look at some other useful features of GPT Chat. You know, in our time, speed and quality of service play a huge role, and this is where ChatGPT can show itself in the best possible way. By integrating artificial intelligence into online chats and customer service centers, companies can automatically process and respond to questions from their customers, helping them handle a larger volume of requests. But what's even more important is saving employers' time and improving the quality of service. Now, employers can focus on more complex and individual cases, while ChatGPT will confidently address standard customer questions and issues. Another important point I'd like to discuss is data analysis. As you know, in today's world, data plays a crucial role in a company's success. That's why being able to analyze vast amounts of information and make informed decisions based on this analysis is the utmost importance. And this is where ChatGPT shines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Together we'll stay updated on the most exciting and relevant news in the world of technology and business. See you in the next video.